Hey, what's up guys? We're going to be showing you guys how to put new traction tires on a Thomas, because these ones are really burnt out. So first thing you want to do is unscrew it. This Thomas takes screws. You might have to use a flathead for some triangle screws, and you have to make sure you have the right one, because you could strip the screw if you use too big of a head on the screwdriver. So then, my Thomas is a pop open, so I unscrewed it, and now I'm going to unscrew the motor, and you have to unscrew right here. Once you get the motor off, it should just pop off like that. This little section should come off. And just be careful that you don't break this part right here, because that's what gets put right into that hole right there. And that's where it makes the connection to the battery. So next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take the side rods off of the engine and just pinch them and pull them over this little axle right here. And make sure you don't damage these, because I believe you cannot buy them. And now you can just wait, you guys might have to go get a fork for this, and I'll show you guys why. I will be right back. And I'm back, and what you have to do is you have to put the fork tongs in between the tire and the side rod. And if you do that, then you should be able to get the side rod off, like that. So the side rod's off, and you should be able to slip the tires out. There we go, here's the tires. And these are really damaged. So what you're going to want to do, don't hurt yourself. You're going to want to try to scrape a section off with anything you got. I'm going to use a screwdriver right now. And they're really crusty. So they're just popping off in my hands. And use a screwdriver, and you should be able to just peel all of it right off. And I'll go ahead and time lapse this for you guys so you don't have to wait here. And that's one side done. We're going to be copying that on the other side. Now I'm done, and if you guys are lucky, you won't have to scrape out the tires like I did, because they were melted onto the wheels. And I think I'm going to try to get a little bit more of it off really quick. Because if you leave these in the sun too long, traction tires will just melt to the wheels. And they'll stick there forever. So now I'm done, and now I'm going to put the traction tires on. And this should be the easiest part of the process. Basically, you're gonna wanna flip the traction tire inside out, or try to. I tried. And then just kind of stretch it over the wheel, and it should just pop on like that. And if it's a little hard for you to do that, then it probably means that you need to rearrange it in the area of the tires, because sometimes the tires can get a little bumpy at sections. And I'm going to go ahead and copy the same on the other side. And now, I'm done. And this was really easy. It wasn't that fast, though. And now, next you are going to put the tires through. Don't put the traction rod on yet, though. You're going to want to put the traction rod on after. Hold on, I'm having a little trouble getting the wheels back on. You guys might have to give me a second. And I just realized I put wheels on backwards, so hold on, guys. So now, got the wheels on, and you can go ahead and put the side rod on back on the engine. But side rods on mine are pretty tangled, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that really quick. Okay, now that my side rod is clean, go ahead and put it back on the engine. And it should just snap back right into it. So I'm going to do it with the other side. And there you go. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to slip the little metal part right into that little socket right there. And once you got that, should be able to just snap it in, but it's going to take me a little bit. Hold on. And now I snapped it back in, and the back should just snap right on. There. And you're going to want to put the little cover on before you do anything else. So don't, I accidentally clicked in the motor. Do not click in the motor yet first. Which was my mistake, because now the red thing will go on. So hold on, give me a second. And it's all snapped together. You can go ahead and screw it back together. And I would say before screwing it fully back together, you should test it, just to make sure that you put it back together correctly. And yep, works perfectly. So now I'm going to go ahead and, before screw the motor back in, you got to put the coupling back on. Almost forgot that. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and screw the engine back together. And if you guys have any tips on getting strip screws out of engines, that would be helpful, because some of my engines have strip screws, which sucks because I can't figure out how to get them out of the engine. So I can't change their couplings and stuff like that. So now, I didn't screw it in fully because this engine doesn't like to be screwed in fully for some reason. But now, I just gotta pop back on the top of the engine. And I think we are good to go. And now he's got new traction tires. He runs really good. So yeah, hopefully you guys found this tutorial helpful, and peace out.